He may just write some poetry about his pets. Turns out all that cooking was to provide for his cats. He's a predator on the hunt for cat Cuddles. Here's what Sam does when he's not enforcing the rules of Halloween. There are no traps involved, he just loves cats. Sometimes Michael enjoys the nice parts of Halloween pumpkin carving and kitten cuddling. You'd get distracted from your twisted plans too. Actually, it's Frankenstein's monsters cats.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.